Hello, I'm Loretta Living. I'm coming to you with another video. I'm doing a collaboration called Pink Winter Challenge. As Loretta Living, I do DIYs, family fun videos. I love to do DIYs, challenges of shopping to other stores. So let's get started. This collaboration is called Pink Winter Decor Challenge, hosted by Antoinette of Ann's Place, co-host Sheila of Pretty Inspired Decor, and MystyleMycolor, and Tammy of Glam Queen of DIY. Beautiful ladies. Each and everyone has a beautiful channel. I enjoy watching their channels. It's very nice doing different challenges for other ladies. So let's get started showing you the Pink Winter Decor Challenge. I have a pink charger, a pink plate, a beautiful napkin, green with beautiful snowflakes on it. And I decided to use an ornament, which I purchased from Walmart, to go right on here to make this pink look pretty. So I'm just sitting that right on there. And that's how every setting is different. I have different ornaments on each one. You will notice that I have a beautiful deer with pink around him. And I have a candle that says Frost Vanilla. Purchased it from Aldi's. The deer came from Marshall's. My centerpiece, you will see beautiful flowers in the middle and a beautiful Christmas tree. To show you the night view. And I really want to thank Miss Ann's Place for hosting this collaboration. And her co-host is Pretty Inspired, MystyleMycolor, Glam Queen of DIY. Thank you so much for this collaboration. It was nice and warm to do it. I love pink. Enjoyed doing this pink collaboration. Have a great day.